Paula's United States dollar exchanges close 32 cents, especially really as opposed to mainstream thinking. Bears control Paula's ongoing cost activities, which really is very huge. Star Atlas Dow sort of explicitly shows negative energy over the course of the end of the week. Further appearance how Star Atlas Dow sort of shows negative force over the course of the end of the week, especially exceptionally in opposition to prevalent thinking. 24-hour exchanging volume for Star Atlas Dow in a real sense is drifting at $305,944 in an unpretentious manner. 16 November 2023. In this video we will for the most part walk you through Star Atlas Dow cost examination for now or for genuinely 1 week from now and sort of fundamentally attempt to answer these much of the time, essentially sought clarification on some pressing issues, facts, what for the most part is exceptionally transient cost expectation for Star Atlas Dow. Actually by and large is Paula's a by and large wise interest in a quite huge manner. Star Atlas Dow support and opposition levels and so on in a significant manner, which is very critical. Yet, prior to plunging sort of profound into the Paula's specialized examination, let us for the most part basically discuss the by and large current economic situations, exceptionally in spite of prevalent thinking, which is genuinely critical. Market examination over the very last 24 hours, there most certainly truly was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the especially certainly whole digital money market to $1,428,308,418,905, truly in opposition to mainstream thinking in a by and large enormous manner. The genuinely all-out exchanging volume generally sort of stands at $71,489,707,597, or so they explicitly thought, or so they for the most part thought. Bitcoin shares 50.99% of the entry market, while Ethereum fundamentally explicitly has a predominance of 16.33% in an unpretentious manner. Which in every way that really matters, brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $37,254.37 level after a vertical development of 2.99%, kind of lovely as opposed to mainstream thinking. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum generally essentially has seen a cost increment of 2.5%, coming to $2,061.87 during the past 24 hours, fundamentally in opposition to prevalent thinking. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $250.56, following a value change of 1.08% inside a similar time span, which basically for the most part is very critical in an exceptionally huge manner. XRP, the extremely local coin of XRP for the most part by and large is somewhere near 0.03 and presently exchanging at 64 cents, which certainly is genuinely critical incredibly. Moreover, Solana came to $63.93 in the wake of seeing an elevate of 1.86% in esteem in an unpretentious way. These occasions in every practical sense especially demonstrate that the market in a real sense sort of is going in a very descending heading for exceptionally momentary in a quite large manner. As of now, a kind of sort of broad genuinely regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, or so they truly thought, which is very critical. Star Atlas Dow execution. The sort of current Star Atlas Dow cost entirely all goals and designs is 32 cents, with an exchanging volume of $305,944 in the beyond 24 hours amazingly. As of now, Paula's for the most part generally is somewhere around 1.7% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $6,970,256 United States dollars, or so they especially thought, or so they thought. Star Atlas sort of for the most part is a cutting-edge gaming metaverse, rising up out of the intersection of best-in-class blockchain, constant designs, multiplayer computer game, and genuinely decentralized monetary innovations, or so they especially thought. Ongoing illustrations innovation utilizing stunning Motor 5's nanite considers realistic quality computer game visuals, which basically shows that 24-hour exchanging volume for Star Atlas Dow essentially is floating at $305,944 incredibly. Blockchain innovation utilizing the Solana convention laid out a generally serverless and-gotten interactivity experience, which generally is genuinely huge. Non-fungible tokens got and exchanged inside Star Atlas makes an economy that repeats the substance of truly certifiable resources and possession, exhibiting that Star Atlas especially is a cutting-edge gaming metaverse, rising up out of the juncture of cutting-edge blockchain, constant illustrations, multiplayer computer game, and essentially decentralized monetary advances in an unobtrusive manner. The most effective method to partake, sort of commonly in opposition to prevalent thinking. To offer during the IEO, by and large make especially kind of certain you certainly truly read the principles beneath and for the most part do the accompanying in advance. By and large register actually fundamentally your FTX account and essentially submit most certainly submit kick level 2 in every practical sense in opposition to prevalent thinking. Because of a sort of certainly huge inflow of new recruits, it's not ensured that by and large your kick will generally be explicitly truly endorsed before the IEO in an unobtrusive manner, which is very critical. If it's not too much trouble, especially be encouraged to for the most part basically submit kick when essentially conceivable and fundamentally really supported to explicitly be truly qualified for the IEO, exhibiting that sort of because of an enormous inflow of new recruits. It's not ensured that quite your kick will sort of certainly be by and large endorsed before the IEO in an unpretentious manner. Note that you should explicitly have something like 150 FTT marked on FTX to truly take part in the IEO, and that you by and large in a real sense get certainly more tickets on the off chance that you stake more, which fundamentally in a real sense is very critical. Set a caution ahead of time. The IEO generally for the most part starts at 2021-08 to 26:10:30 a.m., showing how sort of bears control policies truly current cost activities. Plan assets to offer. No less than 400 USDT and at most 500 USDT and 5 FTT per ticket stake FTT to generally secure and especially decently your ticket portion 24 hours before the IEO. The especially basically live Star Atlas DAO cost today actually explicitly is $323,538 United States dollars with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $596,934 United States dollars, which by and large really is very critical. We for the most part update our policy to United States dollars cost continuously, exhibiting how non-fungible tokens got and exchanged inside Star Atlas makes an economy that recreates the substance of in every practical sense kind of true resources and proprietorship, showing that Star Atlas explicitly fundamentally is a cutting-edge gaming metaverse rising up out of the conversion of best-in-class blockchain. Constant designs, multiplayer computer game, and really decentralized monetary innovations in an especially huge manner, or so they thought. Star Atlas DAO for the most part is down 686% in the decently kind of most recent 24 hours in an unpretentious manner. The truly current can market cap by and large positioning in a real sense is number 350, with a live market cap of $76,289,642 United States dollars, which most certainly shows that will distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $250.56, following a value change of 1.08% inside a similar time span, fundamentally as opposed to mainstream thinking.